Good day, everyone. Good day, sir. And for today's video presentation is all about customer satisfaction, presented by Renzi Aguila, Mark Ulysses Marco, Sean Michael Torres. So, our first slide is for Mr. Marco.
Customer satisfaction is defined as a measurement that determines how happy customers are with company's products, services, and capabilities. Customer satisfaction information including surveys and ratings can help a company determine how to improve or changes its products and services. Next slide is for Renzi Aguila.
Also, customer satisfaction is a metric that
Okay, this slide
reflects.
is for Renzi Aguila. Please turn on your mic, please.
Also, customer satisfaction is a metric that reflects the extent to which a company's products or services meet the expectation of its customers. Customer satisfaction is a metric that reflects how well a company's products or services meet customer expectations. To achieve high customer satisfaction, businesses must focus on quality, reliability, and customer service. This means delivering products that meet expectations, addressing concerns efficiently, and continuously improving based on customers' feedback. Next slide, please. As your company grows, team members may lose direct contact with the customers, leading to a disconnect. This detachment can cause businesses to lose loyal customers and struggle to attract new ones, resulting in instability and declining revenue. The detachment can have serious consequences. Without strong relationships, business risk losing loyal customers and struggling to attract new ones. Over time, this can result in instability, declining revenue, and a weakened brand reputation. To prevent this, companies must prioritize customer engagement. This means implementing feedback systems, training employees to uphold excellent customer service, and ensuring that leadership remains connected to customer experiences. This slide is for Marco.
Customer satisfaction is a difference between customers' needs and expectation. The 3 S of consumer satisfaction. Commitment. Providing consistent high-quality service that meets or exceeds expectation. Communication. Ensuring clear, transparent, and timely interaction with customers. Consistency. Delivering a seamless and uniform customers experience across all touch points. Next slide. Several factors that contribute to customer satisfaction. Product quality. The quality of the products or service must meet customer expectation and be consistent. Customer service. Friendly, helpful and acknowledgeable customer service can significantly enhance the overall experience. Ease of purchase. Use an example convenient buying process or users experience can make customers feel more satisfied. Price. Perceived value for the price paid is critical. Customers want to feel that they are getting a good deal. Brand reputation. A positive reputation can help set expectation and influence satisfaction levels. Timeless. Meeting deadlines, delivering products on time, and respond to inquiries all contribute to satisfaction. Next slide is Sean Michael Torres.
Hello, hello. Okay. So this slide is all about uh, why is customer satisfaction is important. So here's are some key benefits of maintaining high customer satisfaction. So first in our list is predict future behavior. So understanding customer satisfaction helps forecast customer actions and preferences by analyzing satisfaction data. Businesses can anticipate future franchising behaviors and trends. So next to our list is reduce customers churn. Reduce customer churns, high satisfaction levels, decrease the likelihood of customers leaving your brand. When customers are happy with their experiences, they are less likely to switch to competitors, resulting in lower churn rate and higher customer retention. So, so third to our list is evaluate business health. So, satisfaction metrics along with customer lifetime value provide insights into your company's health and growth potential. This is metric help assess whether your business is on right track and it is can sustain long-term success. So fourth is boost market shares. Boost market shares, satisfied customers are more likely to recommend your brand. Aiding is acquiring new customers. Positive experiences lead to word of mouth referrals, which are powerful tools to for expanding your customer base, increasing market shares. So fifth, uh, fifth, fifth to our list is identify improvement areas. Customer feedback highlights issues and areas needing improve. Regularly collecting and analyzing feedback help your pinpoint problems and make necessary adjustments to enhance the overall customer experiences. So last to our list is increase revenue. Satisfied customers are more likely to make repeat franchises and explore additional products or services. This is not only boosts sales but also increases the average customer's lifetime value, contributing to higher overall revenue. So that is our sixth list to to wait lang. To maintaining high customer satisfaction. So all companies have challenges in our all chal- all companies have challenges in our their effort to deliver the best experiences. However, what matters the most is how you act. You probably know that you can save a customer relationship even after an unjustifying experience. Even what started as a negative experiences can be transformed into a positive one with a clear customer support process in place. So always keep your customers in the right place and give them a uh, good services to make your business bloom. So thank you for your listening. Thank you for listening, guys. So this is our agenda for today's presentation. Again, this is Renzi Aguila, Mark Ulysses Marco, and Sean Michael M. Torres. Thank you.